Hello Year 2 and welcome to Tuesday's maths lesson. Okay, so we are going to carry on from where we started yesterday, where we were looking at counting in multiples of 10. So I would like you to pause the video, got a nice easy one for you to start with. I would like you to have a go at solving this number sentence. 32 plus 20 equals. Okay, so how I work this one out was I put 32 in my head and then I'm going to count two lots of 10 because I know that 20 is two tens. So 32, 42, 52. So the answer to the first one is 52. Now I'm looking at the second one. This one's got a missing number. So 41 plus something equals 61. Again, to work it out, I'm going to put 41 in my head and then I'm going to count on in tens until I get to 61. So 41, 51, 61. So two tens I counted on, so that's 20. So that means that 41 plus 20 equals 61. Let's write 20 in here. 41 plus 20 equals 61. Okay, the next one looks a bit different. Do I need to panic? No, it's just written in a different way. It's just written with the equals first. Okay, it's still the same type of sum though. 15 plus something equals 65. Again, you might write this out in a number track starting from 15 so that you can count on in tens until you get to 65. You might do this with Deans. I'm going to put 15 in my head and count on until I get to 65. So 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 5 tens. So I know that 15 plus 50 equals 65. Well done if you knew that as well. Okay, so now we've got a number track. Remember we looked at these yesterday, okay, with some numbers on. It says, what is the number track counting up in? Now, I know it must be counting up in tens because they've all got 1, 1 at the end. So I would like you now to pause the video. Can you fill in this number track? Okay, so hopefully your number track looks a little bit like mine, although perhaps your writing will be neater than mine. So I have got 11, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 81, 91, 101. It's gone over 100 this time. Okay, so here we are. We've got some tens and ones with the Deans, and there's a plus sign here. Okay, so what do you think this is showing us? Okay, and what number sentence would we write to go with the picture? How would we know? So I'm going to count how many tens are in this column. Okay, 3 tens. Okay, and then how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I know it's going to be 34 plus, and there's 2 tens. So it's going to be 20, and then 1, 2, 3, 3 ones. That is a big sum, 34 plus 23. Okay, so I'm going to find out the answer, but I'm going to count up how many tens we've got. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. So we know the answer is going to be 50 something. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is going to be 57. And using the Deans like that makes it an easier way to work it out because we haven't got 34 fingers or 23 fingers. So using the Deans is more helpful. Okay, so the next one, we've got 13 plus 55. Okay, so we're going to now use the Deans. And when you're doing this yourself, you'll be able to draw the Deans, okay? So we have got 13, so I know that's 1 10 and 3 ones. 2, 3. Okay, then add 55, whoops. So 5 tens, 1, 2, doesn't want to come this one, 3, oh, not that one, dear me, 4, 5 tens and 5 ones. Make sure you put them in the right column. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so then our answer under here, okay, we can draw it with Dean's, or actually it's probably better to work it out. So how many tens? Let me get my pen ready. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 tens and how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 13 plus 55 is 68. And then we've got some stem sentences here. There are how many ones altogether? So we know there are 8 ones altogether. There are how many tens altogether? There are 6 tens altogether. So then we've got 8 ones and 6 tens equals 68. Okay, you can also write it the other way round, which might make more sense. So you could do 6 tens plus 8 ones equals 68. Okay, the next one, I'm going to ask you to pause it here and have a go at working out 42 plus 35 on your piece of paper. Remember, you're drawing the Deans in the right column. Okay, so have a look. I've filled the table in how it should look. Does yours look the same? I've got 4 tens and 2 ones for 42, 3 tens and 5 ones for 35. When I add them together, I've got 7 tens and 7 ones. So there are 7 ones altogether. There are 7 tens altogether. 7 ones and 7 tens equals 77. The same as 7 tens and 7 ones also equal 77. Well done if you got that one right. Okay, pause the video and have a go at this one. Okay, so here this time I've drawn the Deans instead of moving the Deans across. So 24 plus 32. So 24 is 2 tens and 4 ones. And 32 is 3 tens plus 2 ones. Then I've added the tens together. So 3 plus 2 is 5. And I've added the ones together. 4 plus 2 equals 6. So there are 6 ones altogether. There are 5 tens altogether. 6 ones and 5 tens equals 56. Because 5 tens and 6 ones also equal 56. Well done if you got the same answer. Okay, we're going to have a go at one more and then you're on your own. Okay, so we'll do this one together. 11 plus 47 equals. So I know 11 has got 1 10 and 1 1. And 47 has got 4 tens and 7 ones. Okay, and then I'm going to add it up together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. And how many ones? I've got 7 here and 1 there, so it's 8. So 58. So 11 plus 47 equals 58. Okay, so there are 8 ones altogether. There are 5 tens, and 5 tens and 8 ones makes 58. Okay, you have now got, there's a template if you want to photocopy it or if you want to print it off, just with this bit on here with the tens and ones, or you could just draw it. It will be easier to draw it. There's also a page with lots and lots of sums on for you to work out, just as we have been doing here. Okay, let me know how you get on. Bye for now.